Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, let me start by commenting on the statement by Senator Onyonka on the issue of use of the youth, the enforcement units and the youth to harass traders and, of course, use for political manipulation. Mr. Speaker, it is very sad that our leaders, including our own president, they keep on talking about how they are going to eradicate the issue of goonism in this country. But this issue is happening under their watch. Mr. Speaker, it was so sad that in Keumbu, when we were there, going to another rally after the Kisii rally, the police were seen on camera throwing stones alongside the goons. And those policemen, nothing has been done to them. The goons who were involved and who were on camera, they have not been arrested to date. It is sad. So we want to ask the government and the president that please talk and act. Those people who have been involved in goonism, they should be arrested before you give us an assurance that you are going to deal with goonism. Mr. Speaker, you know very well I'm a victim of goonism. After the attack that happened to me in Kisumu, I am sad that to date, those people who are involved in that attack are still in Kisumu, walking around. And the CS for security, one Murukomen, comes to the committee and he tells the committee that those people have gone to the neighboring country. Those people are still in Kisumu. So Murukomen, I must say very clearly that if we have had a CS who does not understand his job, who is incompetent, it is Murukomen. And President Ruto should sack Murukomen or transfer him to lesser duties. Because, Mr. Speaker, we cannot have a president who is complaining like the rest of us about goonism when he has a minister who is not working. And, Mr. Speaker, it is also sad that the PS for internal security, one Murukomen, one Raymond Omolo, he is walking around with goons. Whenever you see him, he has a group of goons around him.
Yes, what is your point of order, Senator Eddie? What is your point of order?
Mr. Speaker, I don't know what is exciting the majority leader. Mr. Speaker, you realized when Senator Beatrice got up and said that members of the House are working with goons, how it elicited a serious debate. Is it in order under standing order number 101, 105 and 101, Mr. Speaker? 101 says you cannot discuss an individual in whichever nature without bringing a substantive motion here. Mr. Speaker, the issue of goonism in this country is such a serious issue that you cannot be explicit on the persona of an individual and say they are working with goons, the way Senator Osotsi is saying, without bringing a substantive motion here, Mr. Speaker. So is it in order for Senator Osotsi to discuss individuals without bringing them into this House? I would love, Mr. Speaker, to have those individuals being brought here so that we can discuss them substantially with a motion so that we can be able to establish these goons that they work with. Because otherwise, it will just be a comment without a proper investigation on where these goons are and who is using them. So is Senator Osotsi in order, Mr. Speaker, to mention names and establish that fact without giving us those facts and putting a motion on those individuals here. I wanted to encourage the party should put a motion so we can discuss those individuals here with a substantive motion, Mr. Speaker.